Planning a trip to the Maldives? Not sure what to pack? Don't worry, you're about to discover the ultimate packing guide to ensure you're well prepared for this tropical island paradise. This comprehensive guide will take you through everything you need to know about fashion, essentials, and extras for your dream vacation. First and foremost, when packing for the Maldives, it is incredibly important to note the tropical climate. This idyllic gem in the Indian Ocean experiences a temperature range that rarely dips below 75 degrees Fahrenheit. To adapt to this heat, your wardrobe needs to be planned meticulously. Light, breathable clothing is key in such conditions. Think cotton and linen fabrics in light colors that effectively reflect the sun's heat and offer respite from the warm temperatures. Here's a tip. The lighter the color of your clothes, the more they deflect the sun's rays, keeping you cooler. Swimwear is an absolute must. Pack a few swimsuits because, let's face it, you're going to be spending a lot of time in the water. Don't forget to pack cover-ups, shorts, t-shirts, and sundresses for your daytime adventures. Another thing worth noting is that the Maldives isn't just about sandy beaches and crystal clear waters. This tropical paradise doubles as a luxury destination with world-class dining experiences and high-end resorts that demand a certain level of sophistication. So apart from your beachwear, do pack a few elegant outfits. Be it a decadent dinner at an underwater restaurant or a romantic beachside date, you'll want to dress to impress for these special dinner occasions. So, pack wisely, and you'll be ready to experience the Maldives in all its glory. This packing guide aims to ensure you're well prepared to make the most out of your tropical island paradise getaway. Footwear should be light and comfortable. The Maldives, with its sugar-like sandy beaches and crystal-clear turquoise waters, demands nothing less. You'll be tempted to kick off your shoes and feel the warm sand beneath your feet the moment you step onto the island, but remember, not all terrains are alike. For lounging around the beach, choose a pair of flip-flops. They're casual, lightweight, and easy to clean. Opt for a pair that is durable enough to withstand the salty water, and yet soft enough to not cause any discomfort or blisters. Next, for those adventurous souls planning underwater explorations, water shoes are a must. The Maldivian waters, while stunningly beautiful, can often hide a rocky bottom. These shoes offer the right blend of protection and comfort, ensuring that nothing hampers exploration of the fascinating underwater world. Additionally, your evening escapades could range from a casual beachside dinner to a formal event at a high-end resort. Hence, having a pair of dress shoes in your luggage is a smart move. They add an element of sophistication to your look without compromising on comfort. Choose a pair that is chic yet comfortable, to perfectly match the relaxed tropical vibes of the Maldives. Please, be careful. The Maldives is not just about stunning landscapes and idyllic beaches, it's also a diver's paradise. With vibrant coral reefs that house a diverse range of marine life, the underwater spectacle is simply breathtaking. If snorkeling or diving is on your itinerary, consider packing your own gear. A well-fitted mask and snorkel, fins that glide you smoothly through the water, and a dive computer to monitor your depth and decompression times can greatly enhance your underwater experience. Equip yourself with these essentials and dive into the Maldivian waters to witness a world teeming with life, shades, and shapes you've never seen before. A well-fitting mask and snorkel, fins, and a dive computer can greatly enhance your underwater experience. Sun protection is another essential aspect of packing for the Maldives. It's an area often overlooked, yet it carries a significant amount of importance. The sun in this tropical paradise is powerful, radiant, and intense. It's unlike anything ever experienced before. Therefore, ensure you include a broad-spectrum sunscreen in your packing list. The sunscreen should be of high SPF, ideally above 50. This would help shield your skin against the harmful effects of both UVA and UVB rays, preventing sunburns, skin aging, and more serious conditions like skin cancer. Along with this crucial item, remember to pack a wide-brimmed hat. An accessory that's both stylish practical, it will provide an extra layer of protection to your face, neck, and shoulders. Furthermore, don't forget to pack UV protective sunglasses. The eyes are often neglected when considering sun protection, but remember, they too can be damaged by direct sun exposure. Sunglasses with UV protection reduce the of conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. However, sun protection is not just about safeguarding your skin and eyes. It's also about being environmentally conscious. When selecting your sunscreen, make sure it's reef safe. Many common sunscreens contain chemicals harmful to coral reefs. Opt for those that are biodegradable and don't contain these harmful substances. In line with this eco-friendly mindset, consider packing a reusable water bottle. Plastic pollution is a pressing issue worldwide, and the Maldives, like many island nations, struggles with waste management. By bringing along and refilling your own bottle, you're contributing to a worthwhile cause. You'll help reduce plastic waste, making your travels not just enjoyable, but also sustainable. Remember, each small step towards sustainability counts. The Maldives, like many island nations, struggles with waste management. By refilling your own bottle, you'll help reduce plastic waste. Now, onto the less glamorous but equally important part of packing: travel documents. This part of your preparation might not be as exciting as picking out your vacation wardrobe or loading up your Kindle with beach reads, but it is crucial for smooth travel. Your passport is your international identity, a book filled stamps and memories, which you should handle with care. Flight and hotel booking confirmations, on the other hand, are your proof of itinerary and accommodation. These papers are your ticket to paradise, your invitation to the azure waters and white sandy beaches of your dream destination. Consider investing in a travel wallet, a special place to store these vital documents. This way, they won't get scattered or lost amidst your other belongings. A travel wallet is a small yet significant investment in your peace of mind, ensuring that your journey is as stress-free as possible. Alongside your travel documents, it's also essential to carry sufficient cash and cards your trip. Cash is king in many parts of the world, and having some on hand will save you from many inconveniences. Cards, on the other hand, are a safer and more convenient way of carrying large amounts of money. Another important consideration is health and travel insurance. It's easy to overlook or dismiss insurance as an unnecessary expense, but it's a must-have on any trip, especially when you're traveling to a destination like the Maldives, which is quite remote and not easily accessible in case of an emergency. Ensure that your policy covers any potential medical emergencies, including evacuation, as the Maldives is a remote destination. Lastly, remember to respect the local customs and environmental guidelines. The Maldives is an Islamic nation, and it's vital to be mindful of your wardrobe when exploring the local islands. The local culture is strong and deeply rooted in their customs. As visitors, it is incumbent upon us to respect these customs and not violate them. In addition to this, environmental guidelines need to be strictly adhered to. The stunning coral reefs that the Maldives is for are delicate ecosystems and are extremely sensitive. It is important to avoid touching or stepping on them, as it can cause irreversible harm. Littering is another major concern. The Maldives' pristine beaches are the nation's pride, and littering not only tarnishes their beauty, but also poses a threat to the marine life that calls these waters home. Now let's talk about packing for the Maldives. From choosing the right attire and sun protection to making sure your snorkeling gear is a perfect fit, it's all covered in this guide. Forget to carry all the necessary travel documentation. Having the right items in your luggage is key, but being a responsible and respectful traveler is even more critical. Respect for others and the environment is the cornerstone of every memorable trip. With this guide, you're well on your way to a once-in-a-lifetime adventure in the Maldives. So pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable journey to the Maldives. Alright folks, that's it for our essential packing guide for the Maldives. We've covered everything from the ideal clothing and footwear to the importance of respecting local customs and environmental guidelines. We hope you found this video helpful and insightful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow travelers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips, guides, and insider information on your favorite destinations. We're here to make your travel planning easier and your trips more memorable. And, of course, we love hearing from our community, so feel free to drop a comment below and let us know what you'd like to see in our future videos. Thanks for watching and safe travels. Stay tuned for our next video. We have plenty more exciting travel tips and destination guides to share with you all.